Hello friends, this is Aslam J. Karajgi from SICAV Institute of Engineering and Technology. So I'm back with another video on types of inheritance in Java. So over here we'll try to discuss what are different types of inheritance in Java. To start with, let us try to understand what exactly inheritance is all about. So inheritance is nothing but acquiring feature from other class, or you can say exporting feature from other classes. The way we inherit feature from our parents, that is something called as inheritance. To start with, let us try to understand what is single inheritance. As you can look at the figure or look at the diagram, you can see there is one base class and there is one subclass. This could be you can also call it as A as parent class and B as child class. So child class is acquiring feature from single parent class. Now this is referred to as single inheritance. As the name indicate, single inheritance, there will be single base class as single child class. Now similarly you got multi-level inheritance. Okay, so as you can look at the diagram, if we start with A as a parent class, or you can see base class, there is intermediate class, and then there is one more class, C. Now over here the point to be understood or understand is B is basically a subclass of A, and similarly C is subclass of B. So there are different levels. One level is ki A is a parent of B, another level is B is parent of C. If there is one more class, say D, D will be subclass of C will be subclass of B, similarly B will be subclass of A. Then let us go ahead with third one as hierarchical inheritance. It's very simple. There will be a single parent class and there could be possibility of multiple subclasses from that particular class. So you can see ki A is a parent class and B, C, D are subclasses which are getting inherited from A. Multiple inheritance is wherein you have two parent class and one subclass. Okay, so basically you have two parent classes and one subclass. You can see and P are parent class and C is a single subclass inherited from multiple parent classes. Now hybrid is basically, as the name indicates, it's a mixture, or you can say amalgam of two or more types, or you can say one or more type of inheritance which you have discussed above. So you can see now, you can see that there is one parent class, and from one parent class there are two subclasses which are getting inherited. So this segment is your hierarchical, and then you can see there are two parent classes B and C, and from B and C D is getting inherited. Okay, so this is basically your multiple inheritance. So it's basically a combination of hierarchical and then multiple inheritance, which is referred to as hybrid inheritance. I shall again repeat for hybrid. You can say A is a parent class for B and C. Okay, so this is hierarchical, and then B and C are parent for D. So this is multiple. So combination of say hierarchical and multiple. There could be another example wherein hybrid could be combination of single inheritance and multiple inheritance. So that example I'll give you later in another video. Okay, thank you so much.